check out my YouTube channel, John Leyba 3071. Check it out. There's a lot of 5-0s here, so we're having to duck out and shit, but like, comment, and share. Shit, there's a lot of cops coming. Everybody's leaving.
Real good turnout tonight. A lot of fun. So when the cops come on,
Thanks, dog. Hey, be safe, bro.
hey, have a good one. Be safe.
Yeah, I like you studying, bro. Studying, bro.
Gotta roll out. Gotta roll out. Stop the meter, bro. Roll out.
How's it going? Right. Check out the night sky, DD's discount. This place is fucking emptied out. We have so many people on the boulevard. Getting it. Yeah. Drove all the way up to LA to get the content out here. Check out my YouTube for all of the fucking.
Hey, Big Dog, you want a hot dog in the house?
Yeah. I'll take a hot dog, bro. Thanks, dog. Appreciate it, bro. How you doing, dog?
Fine, how about you?
Good, bro. Thanks, appreciate it, doggy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Want everything on it?
The mayo. I guess a little bit of, yeah, everything.
Everything?
Fine. Yeah. Please, bro, thanks. You have an Instagram, bro?
Sure,
Want to do it? Okay, right there. Everybody, check out on Instagram. Like and subscribe, comment. We like all that shit. I appreciate you, big dog.
You're welcome, bro.
God bless you, bro. Be safe out there.
God bless you.
Thank you, big dog. You too, bro. Take care. Thank you. They just took me up. Check out my food. Yeah, homie hooked me up for free. How's it going? He gave me some food. Thank you, good sir. Appreciate it. Damn, it's fucking crazy out here right now. Shit, I drove all the way like 2 hours from San Diego just to come out here to check out this meat. Shit is illy. If you guys want the full video, like I said, like and subscribe. Check out my YouTube, John Leyba 3071. Peace out.